Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to play Undertale on a tablet. Many fans want to experience this unique role-playing game on the go, and it is entirely possible with a few simple steps. We will cover the best approaches to get Undertale running smoothly on your portable device, ensuring you can enjoy its memorable characters and story wherever you are. Get ready to dive into the world of monsters and humans. For the best Undertale experience on a tablet, a physical Bluetooth controller is almost essential. While some on-screen controls might exist, they often hinder precise movement and combat. Connecting a compatible controller, like a PlayStation 4 or Xbox One gamepad, will significantly improve your gameplay. Make sure it is fully charged, perhaps for at least 10 hours of playtime, so your adventure isn't cut short. There are a couple of primary ways to get Undertale onto your tablet. One common method involves using unofficial Android ports created by the community, which can be found through dedicated fan forums. Another excellent option is to stream the PC version of Undertale directly to your tablet using remote play applications. This requires a stable internet connection and a powerful home computer, but offers a seamless experience. To truly enjoy Undertale on your tablet, optimize your settings. Lowering graphics quality slightly can prevent lag on less powerful devices, ensuring smooth gameplay. Using a good pair of headphones will enhance the experience, letting you fully appreciate the game's incredible music and sound design. Remember to save your game often. Undertale has many surprises, and you will want to preserve your progress through its unique story.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.